Hello, learners! We are back with an interesting topic definitely to be known by you, that is diversity and discrimination. What is diversity? Diversity teaches us to look at things from a different perspective or different manner and makes us more tolerant and enriches our lives. There are times, however, when the differences between people lead to discrimination based on prejudice. Here, what is prejudice? The term prejudice refers to judge before knowing something, a person, or a thing. As when we judge or form opinions about people who are different from us before knowing much about them, we form a prejudice. Now, let us discuss about stereotypes. A stereotype is an oversimplified or generalized image of a particular community or group of people, or it is a mistaken idea or a belief about opposite person. These two primary factors, prejudice and stereotypes, leads to discrimination. Discrimination is the unfair and unequal treatment of people based on religion, gender, caste, and economic condition. We all look different from each other. Some of us are fair, some are dark, some are tall, some are short, some are thin, having long noses, having small noses, having large eyes, etc. In India, discrimination also occurs on the basis of gender. Gender is the role assigned to men and women by a society. These roles are often based on stereotypes. Some of the great women like Indira Nooyi, who is the ex-CEO of PepsiCo India, and Saina Nehwal, the badminton player, won a bronze medal and proved that discrimination is wrong. Check out their pictures in the video. Now let's discuss about discrimination based on religion. People of different religions live in India. They have different beliefs, practices, customs, rituals and festivals too. As a result, they develop a prejudice against people of other religions. Such attitudes have often caused disharmony and violence in the country. Discrimination based on caste. The four main castes that society was divided into in ancient India multiplied over the time. Today, there are hundreds of castes and subcastes in India, but while people of some castes enjoy many privileges, some others are treated inhumanly. Today, they call themselves Dalits, meaning the oppressed, and classified as scheduled castes by the Constitution of India. Now, let us discuss the role of Dr. Ambedkar in fighting caste discrimination. Among the many social reformers who took up the cause of Dalits, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was the foremost. He was born in 1891 into the Mahar community, which is recognized as an untouchable caste. Ambedkar, popularly known as Baba Saheb, also spoke out against gender discrimination also. Check out image. The Constitution of India clearly states that every Indian citizen is equal in the eyes of law and no one must be discriminated against on the basis of religion, caste, race, gender, and language.